oh, what's happening? This is the end of the world. What's gonna be the potential next steps here? Okay, mga tao takot. That's the reason why millionaires are born in the bear market. Millionaires are born in the bear market. People who take the appropriate exposures and risks on their positions, therefore sila yung mga yumayaman. And, di ba? You just need to identify your exits, no? Alam mo, Kamiranda, these are important information na kailangan mong malaman. Why am I... Well, I'm not influencing you. This is just me talking about my investment decisions. It doesn't mean you're going to go all in today, right? As what we call in our anatomy, our job is to identify saan potential magsusupport, right? What I'm trying to say is that I am pre-bullish. What I mean by pre-bullish is, hayaan mo dumating yung recession. Trabaho ng Fed ayusin ang gobyerno. Pag nagkaroon ng recession ngayon, the Fed is gonna be in the rescue, dumping interest rates, the economy will pump. So, naubos talaga yung market capitalization during, so tatlong beses na pinatay, bam, bam, more early 11 and then 1 and then close na. Wala nakakapag-trade, nakahang talaga sa inopens, naghahang. They can always, kasi it's a regulated economy, no?